Hello, you wanna see how I achieve this crunchy and crispy chicken? Watch this video so you don't miss out. Hello, welcome back. This is Lady B. How you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing safe. Today I'm making crispy and crunchy chicken. That is my flour, my meat spices, and my chicken. There I have ginger, garlic, salt, seasoning cube, paprika, nutmeg. So I added them there. I added salt and cayenne pepper to my flour. So I will mix and mix and mix. So I will set the flour aside and I will mix my chicken thoroughly. Before you do this, make sure your hands are clean. So I'll just combine to make sure the seasoning incorporates with the chicken. So here I'll cover and allow it to rest inside my fridge for 3 hours. So here is after 3 hours. I'll add them to my mixed flour. So I'll just continue this process until the chicken is finished. Keep watching. I hope you enjoy this video and learn something from it. So this is it. I'll just continue the process. I'll just continue adding them to the flour. Here is it. I'm done. I'm going to fry them. I added my oil, so I'll be adding the chicken. I'll add the chicken until my plate is empty, my pan is filled up. So I'll just continue adding them. So I'm done adding them. I have fried for some time, so now I'll just flip over so that the other side can fry too. For those of you always returning to watch me, I really appreciate your love and support. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe, turn on the post notifications so that anytime we upload, you'll be the first to be notified. If you can share me out. I'll really appreciate that. So I'll allow it to fry and turn golden brown. So here it is golden brown and crunchy. I'll just take them out of the oil. Always put in a sieve, as I normally say. Anything you fry with oil, always put in a sieve so that the excess oil can go out. So this is it. I will continue until nothing is remaining in the pan. So here is it. This is the final look of our chicken. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.